My name is Avinash. So I have finished my graduation at Reva University. I got to know about skilling from Facebook website. So I have just went to the website. I have seen your courses which is available in Skilling, and then I was interested in joining an automotive industry. So I was looking for something which is going to be very unique in future and which is going to be really effective. So electric vehicle and hybrid vehicle is really going to be effective in future because that's how the mobility will be in future. So I had a plan to take up one of these courses, and yes, it went on really well, and I got a job which is related to hybrid and electric vehicle industry. I would be happy if I could really convert this job into a big one in future. My current position. They were available at any time. That's one thing, and they were very supportive. Like they were willing to answer any of the queries whichever you put forward to them. And in one way, that's really nice. I'm not seeing this much in any other places. Like they take time for getting back, and your technical support have been really good here. And like whenever we have any doubts, you get clear in some time. When as soon as possible. Whenever the person is available, maybe like within 1 hour or 2 hours. Most of the time, it used to get clarified. So that's the one really good point, and it used to be smooth. It's just not a makeup and just clearing the doubt for namesake. It's proper explanation which is given. That's nice. The first project which I have worked on was at SolidWorks. Okay, I have worked on American Chopper, which was completely based on SolidWorks. I had to design a lot of components on that particular project and assemble it, and finally had to do rendering on that. And it was really smooth because everything was so well explained, so that we could do projects in ease. Which helped us in many ways. We didn't find any kind of difficulty in doing any project. It was done fast because explanation of the detail and explanation of the software which we are using is really good. So we don't have much doubts when we work on the particular projects whichever we want to. And that's why I have completed that particular project called as American Chopper just in 2 weeks. Similarly, I have done the same project in SolidWorks for a yacht. It's called a Predator yacht, and I have worked on that. So that's the first project which I have worked and completed in Skilling. Then I have worked on automobile components. Like I have worked on automobile roof and automobile fender, back door, and the hood. I have designed the components based on the master section. So all the detailed explanation of master section was available in the course videos, which were really nice. So based on that, I could develop it, and yeah, even that was completed fast. So more than completing the project, it was about getting the knowledge, which was really important. And coming to the plastic design, I have completed the plastic course design in I guess 1.5 months. And yes, I have learned a lot about the plastic courses, in the sense how the material is developed, how the tooling has to work, what are the limitations of tooling, and how the design has to be appropriate so that it can be manufactured. So that's also actually worked CATIA workbench. So I have learned BIW as well as plastic components in CATIA. So that's where I have got maximum knowledge about tools. Design tools at that particular course. That's about my project. The career success team was really nice. Actually, Naveen has really guided me well through many interviews actually. So I was not so good at introducing myself at the beginning, I guess. I had little issues, and then after 3 interviews, it was smooth enough. So actually, he has spent a lot of time, Naveen, to train me on the interview. The mock interviews were really good, which he has conducted. So when it came to the real interview, which I had to attend in the company, I didn't find it much stressful, because I have done a lot of mock interviews here. So I could really do it well there. And then certain concepts which the interviewer asked, I wouldn't have actually told if I just had the college. Whatever I have studied at the other college. So they have asked a lot about GD&T, and they have asked a lot about design, about the parametric modeling. So all these, I have a good knowledge about that, about the parametric modeling from the CATIA workbench, which I have worked in Skilling. So it was very basically what I want to tell is, yeah, the career success team was very nice. They were in touch with me always. So I didn't feel a gap in between. There is no consecutive 3 days in which they never had a touch. So always alternate days they had a feedback section, career success team. That's about it. They were always supportive. So when you are in college, okay, so you have a lot of friends around, okay, you would not be particularly attending all the sections, okay, at the right time. So obviously you would bunk, and that's how college life works. You'll bunk a lot of classes, and then you may not pay attention always. But then when you are at your home, when you're working on online courses, so you would pay an attention. So it's, if you are going to an online course which you have selected by yourself, so you would pay attention to it, and you would really go through it very well. And it's actually a video, it can be repeated whenever you want, and the timing is flexible. So it's not, when you are not interested to attend a particular stuff, it's simple not to attend at that time. We can attend that section whenever you want. That's why I am always supportive to online classes and courses, because like when we are free, we can work on it. So we will really get the knowledge. Unlike when we are simply attending a class when we are not interested, it's practically really not possible for getting good knowledge out of it. I don't see anything much different. Whatever has happened in Skilling, I'm telling you a frank answer, it's already there in college. But yeah, there are certain concepts which are done better, a bit more better in Skilling. Like example, when you take on a course like, imagine if it is CATIA. So college will not give you, projects based on industry relevant, like you are going to work on automobile roof, okay, on automobile tailgate. So college will give you the basics, in the sense they will give you a normal part, a shape, some shape or some pattern which we are supposed to develop. So it won't be anything relevant to industry. It's about basics of the software. That is one thing which I see Skilling is doing good. They are giving towards industry relevant projects. That's about it. What I can tell regarding that is, all you need to have is, don't expect stuff. So that's the first stuff. So second stuff is, whenever you are going to any kind of interview, you don't need to have that stress in your mind. You get a job or you do not get a job, okay, that one of that has to happen. So you go in that condition. Your mind has to be set up in that condition, that if you're not going to get a job, you're not going to get disappointed, in the sense, yeah, it happens. In the sense, you can't do anything. That's how the world works. So you need to be ready for it. That's the most important stuff. So the second stuff is your confidence, your own confidence of what you know. So what I would suggest that is, at the interviews is, when you're speaking at the interview, speak in such a way that you're highlighting what you know very well. So what I have observed is, at the interview, they will only ask what you're talking about. So they exactly may not remember what they have to ask. So if you are speaking about CATIA or some project work in CATIA, okay, you got to make it sure that you know what you know CATIA very well, because the follow-up questions are all going to be relevant to CATIA, or it's going to be relevant to complete design field. That's one thing. And the next thing what I have to speak about is, that's important. You need to do your work in your interest. So whatever you're doing, it has to be in your own interest. Just for the namesake of getting job, we may go through a particular software or a particular tool. It's not going to happen, because I have tried programming. I had tried to learn Python. So that I had no interest in coding, to be frank. I had no interest. I learned coding just for the sake that industry is shifting to IT. I have got a lot of information, so you have a lot of opportunities in IT field. That's the reason why I have studied coding. That's not my passion. So that did not work out. Though I know coding, it's just namesake. I just know to mug up. It's not working out. So this design was my part of the interest. So it went on really well. So whatever I'm learning is by my own will. So that's how it worked out for me. Yes, if you're speaking about online courses, at the beginning, have much trust on Skilling, because I've seen it in Facebook. I've seen a lot of stuff on Facebook. But then I have went to the web page and I have visited some of your, some of your profiles inside the website. Some the publishings I have visited. Then I've seen some of your projects, and I went on to the comments and reviews of your organization. Yeah, I felt it really nice, so I just gave it a try, That's how I got it, because I didn't see any negative review. So that's what actually I guess everyone check when they try to join something, or whenever they try to get any customers, or when they try to buy something. The first thing I think, okay, even if you're watching a movie, if it is me, I would check the reviews first. So that's the same thing I had done for Skilling. I have seen all positive reviews. So, and then I seen it's job oriented. That's one thing which I had real interest on. So I just gave it a try, and yeah, it went on really well. It's really good.